Hi guys, for today's video I'm sharing with you guys a Pergolux Pergola 4 Pro review, and at the end I will be sharing with you guys some of the assembly process. I just kind of wanted to share this with you guys because I feel like this gave my home a much needed upgrade in the backyard. We had like this ugly wood pergola here before, and this definitely gave a really nice upgrade to the space. And as always, you guys know we only give 100% honest reviews on this channel, so I'm going to share with you guys the things that I love about this, as well as some things that I'm not liking that much about this particular pergola. With an honest review, I did want to be extremely transparent about pricing. Although I did receive this for free for review purposes, I did want to go over the price point. So the pergola itself will run you $16,490. The heaters are $412 each, and the lights are $798. Bringing our total to $17,700 pre any taxes or fees. They do often run sales on the website, but I did just want to go over the price point so you guys have that. I'm going to go over a lot of the features in today's video, but just to summarize, with this particular pergola, you guys are getting like motorized louvers. You're getting an aluminum pergola with integrated beam lighting that's going to operate via remote, app, or smart home connection. It's corrosion, rust, UV, and warp resistant. It's rated at up to 165 mile/hour winds and snow loads up to 65 PSF, depending on which configuration you purchase. It does have the double-walled louvers for enhanced weather protection and the dimmable LED beam lighting. So it also has a second snap fit accessory channel in each beam, so it lets you add or relocate more walls or accessories without drilling. I wanted to share with you guys here a real-time opening of the motorized louvers. Although I think that this functions perfectly fine, it is my personal opinion that for some reason I was expecting this function to move a lot quicker, and I think it's just something that I would have liked to see, that these moved and opened a little bit faster than they do. Again, that doesn't say anything against the build quality. It's still amazing and they are functioning properly as they should. It's just one of those weird things that I expected it to do and it does not. Love the fact that they have a rain-lux system. So once the louvers are closed, water can't penetrate it, and then the water is actually going to be channeled down all of the sides. So essentially you can be under this if it's raining and you are not going to get wet, which I think is great. I do love the function of leaving it open, and I love how it's still providing a decent amount of shade. Like if you want just like a little bit of sunshine, this is a really great option to use. This heater add-on is really nice. It turns on quite quickly. I will say for the size of my pergola, one of these is not going to work. You will definitely need to purchase an additional one if you want a good amount of heat. That's going to run you an additional $412. Now moving on to the remote control. While I think the multi-channel system is great because you can add things on, I personally just was not a fan of this remote at all. I don't find it to be easy to use, and I would much rather use the phone option. They do have an app where you can easily control things from your phone. That's a little bit more user friendly. So I feel like that is going to be your best bet of an option when it comes to controlling this pergola system. You also have the option to integrate this with your smart home systems as well. So that's another option that you can use to control it with. Now on to the LED light strips, which are dimmable. I feel like I came across the same concern that everyone else has. This is more just like a stylistic feature. This is not going to provide you with like a ton of light that is going to be like enough light to host like a dinner under here. So you definitely do need like some other lighting as well, which is not a drawback for me. I think that I personally liked it for the different cool colors, and I wasn't really looking for this to be like super lit up for nighttime. But if you are, this might not be the solution for you. But again, just look how beautiful the hues of the colors are. I feel like I absolutely love this feature, and I do think that it's really a great addition to the pergola. Getting back to that remote, I wanted to show you guys in real time how long it took to get to the proper channel and to get the light strip turned on. Sometimes I feel like I even have responsiveness issues with this remote, so I personally think it's best to use the app system to control it or to hook this up to some of your smart home that you may have within the home. And then you will have a seamless integration here. Moving on to the assembly, and this is the part that I just want to be very honest with and share my own personal experience with this. The boxes are great. It takes some time to even get everything unboxed and prepared. This alone is going to take you a lot of time to get everything opened and laid out. The unboxing and assembly process I personally found to be quite challenging. I see a lot of videos where they had 4 people assembling it, and I feel like that's more realistic. They do work with some partners for assembly. However, the price they are quoting is $1,795 to assemble this pergola. Once you go ahead and get that whole frame together, your next step is to add the control box. At this moment, we realized we didn't have a control box, so we had to stop the whole assembly process. While I do believe that the company fixed this in a very timely manner, they did investigate and find that they had never sent out the control box, which in my personal opinion is a huge mistake for such a large item like this. And again, it put a damper on our timeline, and I can only imagine the frustration of a paying customer that might have bought this for like a 4th of July party and those pieces didn't come in time. Back to the assembly, the next step is to go ahead and put in the LED strip lighting. This is pretty simple. It just kind of like snaps into place. You just have to make sure you've got it like lined up properly. There's like a little groove. So I feel like this is one of like the simpler parts of the assembly, but do keep in mind this then needs to be plugged into like some electrical components as well. So you just want to go around, take your time and snap this in. And again, it's a very tedious job, but it's not super difficult once you get the hang of it. You just have to, again, like I said, make sure you're going back and making sure everything is like lined up perfectly. After this step, you would then go in and add in that control box, and that is basically just going to help control all of the louvered components. So then after that is done, you're just going to go in and add the louvers. I will say that this part with 2 people seemed to be pretty simple and snap in. This didn't take hardly any time. It's all of the other components and electrical that really do take time to assemble and figure out. And again, the quality of this is a lot higher than your average pergola, so it's heavier. That also is going to add in and factor into the time that it's going to take to assemble. So keep that in mind. But again, the louvers go on pretty simply after that. And that's pretty much the assembly process. It's just a few steps, but they are, like I said, a little complex and tedious and definitely not something I think that I could have done. So just keep that in mind. This took a couple of days, working a few hours each day. I would say probably about 12 hours total for this assembly process to actually complete. So I don't want you guys to think that that little short synopsis on how to put it together is actually accurate to how long it's going to take. All that being said, I feel like the Pergolux is an amazing quality pergola. I love the features that it has. I think that if you're willing to put in some sweat equity and really get to work, or again, hire some professionals and just pay the extra, I think this is a really great option for you, and I would definitely recommend checking it out.